Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to switch profiles on Firefox. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to another browser and download Firefox, as it does not come with the Windows system. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the middle of the screen, we have the search box. We also have it in the top side of the screen. We have the add shortcuts. And in the bottom right corner, we can go and check out all of the settings here, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and switch profiles on Firefox. So first of all, make sure Firefox is completely closed. Then when you have just a screen looking like this in front of you, now what you need to do is go and press Windows plus R, type firefox.exe, then P and press enter. That's for Windows. For Mac OS, open terminal type, go to applications, firefox.app, content, Mac OS, Firefox P, and press return. And for Linux, open terminal type, Firefox P, and press enter. And that is for all of them. Then the profile manager will open, and here you can select the profile you want to switch to. Click Start Firefox to open Firefox with the selected profile. You can also manage profiles, create, delete, and rename from the profile manager. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.